I'm now getting down to fixing some of the last problems on this AMI Continental 2 jukebox. I had a real pain, in the you-know-what problem this morning with this coin slot. Because some vandal stuck bits of wadded up paper down this coin slot, which caused coins, all these coins, to jam in there. There's some that date back to 1967, and all these were jammed in there. And at first, because I waited till the last thing to work on the coin gear on this, and when I'd put coins in here, they were getting jammed. So I removed the slug rejector, which is seen here, and it just pivots out. There's a latch inside the little compartment here. And right now I've got a lamp inside there so I could see up into the coin chute, but it just pivots out of this little cubby hole here. Here are the coin switches that are activated by the passing of coins, and those activate the credit unit. There's the coin drawer. But I first started by putting a cable tie up in there, trying to do like snaking out a drain to see if I could get past the blockage, and this was just getting jammed. So then I tried a piece of metal pipe strapping, followed up by a hacksaw blade attached to a pair of vice grips, and I was finally able to get some coins to fall out. But it still didn't get rid of the entire blockage. So after maybe like 45 minutes of fooling with this, trying to get some of the coins out, I got the lamp down in there and was able to look down into the slot, and now you can see the slot is clean, but somebody had jammed paper down in there which got all wadded up, and I had to use these pieces of stiff copper wire to try to both push the paper out through the bottom of the slot and pull it up out through the top. So finally I've got all that nasty paper out of there. Here's some bits of it. Just wadded up paper. I had wondered if someone had put gum in this or something more noxious than just paper. Because I actually found a nail that came out of here too. It's like, how did that get in there? But now I'm going to put the slug rejector back in. I'm going to try out the coin circuit. The client wanted to get 1 play for a quarter on this. I'm not sure if I can adjust this to work like that. I think it was probably 1 play for a dime and 3 for a quarter back in those days. But I'll see what I can do to set up the coin mechanism like you'd like. First I gotta just make sure that coins will pass through, and they ought to now that I got all those obstructions out. Also, this is the credit display, and one of the bulbs was missing from it, so I put one in there. But I'm going to unlock the front panel here. And I had started to take this credit thing off, or this coin slot off, but there were so many bolts I just gave up on it. And I couldn't get the coin chute out either. I was trying to take it off so I could get it out of here for cleaning, but it would be very difficult to take off. So I'm going to mount this thing back up, get the slug rejector back in, and see how it accepts coins.